A quick little demonstration of putting the Key Fob camera into the Vidroc 808 mounts. There are two different types of mounts. This one is the kind you would glue on or screw on to an airframe. This one allows you to strap it onto the airframe if you wish. You simply put the lens in first. If you have one of the 808 cameras with extended lens, you put it in, shoehorn, and pop it into place. Once again, you take the lens, you put it down into the hole first, and then pop it into place. Then you take a self-tapping screw and you secure the camera firmly onto the mount, and that's basically all there is to it. Now later, after you have recorded your flight and you're ready to remove it and get your video, undo the screw, of course, and then pop the camera right out, and you're good to go to recharge and to get the video off the camera.